Good morning, everyone. Alrighty, German 40. Welcome to June 7. So, Canadian bank interest rate news later on today. So let's see what that brings. Other than that, we don't have any real news at all. Got, yeah, nothing. See what headlines. Germans sitting around this range and at 16,000. Nothing really crazy to speak of. A couple of little ECB comments, Schnabel, talking about inflation. Nothing really that isn't known already. So probably minimal impact with this stuff. That was about 40 minutes ago. Comments from about 45 minutes ago. So let's see. Let's check what the bias is.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, morning. How are you?
Right.
How did the trades go? Oh yeah, so Aussie US, Aussie yen was a break even. As like when I closed it, I'll bring it up. So triggered. Where is it? Triggered here. I should have gone for the deeper one. Price pushed down, and then when I woke up, it was about here. And then before the open, or before Euro came into it, I just closed it for break even. So then we had Aussie US. This one triggered as well. So this one was ideal. So grabbed it right on the 40. It didn't quite get 20 pips, so I only got 17. Then I moved it to as it pushed down and then pushed up again here. And when I got to 18, I brought the stop loss up, and then it closed out for a little bit of profit. And then CAD yen triggered. It just triggered right over here. So it's yet to be determined. Yours wasn't triggered on Aussie US. Yeah, mine was. Little arrows in the way, but it grabbed it. Oh, only Aussie US, Aussie yen. I think mine must have like literally to the pipette that it triggered. So maybe it's difference in broker feed. Alrighty. Right. Yeah, not much. I haven't gone through the other pairs to see how they turned out. Of the so all three ideas triggered, but I'm not sure how many of the other pairs that I was looking at. I was looking at Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. I was really keen on doing those ones actually. So Euro Aussie, that would have been the one I was looking for like the 20 or the 30. The 40 would have missed. The 30 would have, yeah, comfortably got it. Pound Aussie, this one as well. Just going short, even from the 20, would have comfortably got it. From the 30 definitely. From the 40 no. But they were, I was just a bit heavy on Aussie then, because I would have had 4 Aussie ones. But should have gone for the Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie actually, because they definitely moved more. Aussie yen and Aussie US, they didn't move anywhere near as much. Anyway, got a whole bunch of other features coming, which is going to be really cool. And then importantly, a lot of those features are like in the testing, and data collecting stages. Okay, so German, bit of a barcode here. We're pushed up. Nice little rejection wick from this structure here. Didn't quite close inside of it, so we're not sure if it's going to get to 16,200 yet. Then this daily candle formed a little bottom wick and then pushed up, and we had a nice close towards the end of the day. So that's what I'm kind of keen to keep on going this direction. But I am aware that we're sort of been ranging inside this little bit of this area. On the 2 hour, you see it rejected off of this bit. This is where the move happened late. So we got the setup inside of here on the 15 minute. No, sorry, the 5 minute. This is where it gave us setup at 9:40 in the morning, my time, UK time. So that was the move for the 40 pip move, which I missed because I had to go at that stage. Then price came down after NYSE. NYSE was over here. Then after that, it was like fairly steady moves. Fairly steady moves up and up and up and up. So it would have been nice to have grabbed. Got all the way up to 16,040. So rejected off the London low from Monday, sorry. Now, Euro session. We don't really have clean candles below here. We're inside of this structure, so I'm gonna at least wait for this area to be tapped into, okay? Because this is structure right across here. So if I draw a box for the structure, and then I'll clean the chart up. So that's the structure. Take the sessions off, don't need that. I'll get rid of this little thin line, this one, this one. Yeah, I'll leave the rest. I'll get rid of New York 50%. So I'll just adjust that for the new New York 50%. Then we've got 7 minutes for the open. 7 minutes to get prepared. So we're at halfway of New York yesterday. Because we closed inside, pullback, mandatory to hit the 15,990 before we get any sort of moves. Got a couple of dojis here to sweep. So let's repurpose this line. Little liquidity candle from here. Couple little dojis to pay attention to. And this is the hour, this is the range being established so far for the Frankfurt Open. So you can see it's very small volume, very, very, very small volume. So this is the one-to-one section outside of that volume. 8 days, 8 days around this area. Yeah. So a 1-to-1 push for equaling Euro open is only not even going to take the Euro high. So you can see like just how dead everything is, waiting for this, waiting for a bit more news to come out. I mean, this could adjust. Here we go. It's breaking the low a little bit more. So still got another 5 minutes before it closes. From the 2 hour, we'll be looking to break the support. So really, I'd like to see it push down and then start to, because we're in a range, I don't really have a clear, strong bias. I don't have a preferred direction. Closing back above 16,120, that's an easy idea. So I'm holding out for that move. So I've got the alert set there. Under here, we've got problems. So let's just see where the volume goes. It broke structure. Yeah, well, it's come back to second structure, right? So at the moment, sorry, first structure. This is first structure. And it's broken inside of that. So it should go to the bottom. But because we had such a clean, impulsive push down with these areas, I could easily see it making its way back up, overshooting, and then retesting these lows again. Kind of what we saw on pound Aussie. Have I got time to flick across there? I do. So not recent, but over here. That's probably too. Oh no, here it is. So we had this clean push down, and then price was making its way to fill that clean candle, overshoot, and then retest the low. So that's a very typical pattern. Now here, clean candles down, and making its way back up. I wonder if it's going to overshoot. It's respecting that liquidity candle on the 15 minute. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, good one. Yeah, and it's inside this hour structure. So we had this wick as well that tried to push price lower. So this is a manipulation wick, and it failed. So once that one failed, now we're inside of it on the top bit. So if I find manipulation around this area, I will be actually keen to take it long. Anyway, we've got 30 seconds. Let's make sure everything's all set up. We're on German, so take the lot sizes from gold back to German lot sizes. And let's watch and see what the open does. So 15 minute bottom left. 3 minute top left. 5 minute top right. Okay, here we go. So it's hit the bottom of that structure as it needs to do. Here's the 1-to-1, more or less. We've got a few manipulations. Okay, starting to push lower. Good, good, good. So there's the 1-to-1 now. Let's just check what the CAC is doing. CAC's coming down as well. Is this the pivot point now, is it? Got clean candles underneath this red zone. 15-minute, that would be get pushing into second structure down here. Four-hour, that would be, yeah. I'm gonna wait and see if we can get some set up from this red zone. Looking across the board, it's just this heavy traffic area again, and we'll be at the base of this bearish candle that led to this, the last bearish candle. Well, this didn't actually break the high though, so I can't really use that one, can I? Just gotta let the volatility just ease out of the market a little bit, and then we can get that steady move. So opening 5 minutes, so far as 27 pips. All right. Just waiting just to see. It looks like this could just have continuation for now, so I want to wait. It's in the middle of no man's land right now. So if you're in sales, it's looking alright. Don't want these wicks to be broken though. You'd want this to be maximum pullback. As usual with German 40, when we get that one-to-one move, you get that retrace. Always very important. If you're taking that impulsive trade, is to secure at least one-to-one. Secure at least something. Whether you want to secure the whole thing is up to you, but you got to secure something. So let's see, if it's breaking above there again, then that could be an area that we can look for those longs. But need to wait for confirmation back above this wick. Very weak time frame, but it's on the same wick on the 5 minute, so it is a potential. Come on, drop further. Drop further, take out this line. Pick up those dojis. Come on, drop. There we go. Keep going. Is anyone at anything? Very quiet.
Sorry, mate. I'm back and forth to the kitchen cooking dinner.
Oh, what are you cooking?
Carbonara.
Oh.
Yeah. Hopefully, it's not going to be burnt carbonara.
Yeah. It doesn't take long for that sauce to stick.
Oh. God, look at that go. The Dixie's absolutely pumping.
Is it?
Yeah, it's going.
Yeah, it's gone berserk. And gold's dumping hard.
Oof. Jeez.
Yeah, it's complete opposite to my bias. I've been yeah, humbled today.
Oh yeah, far out. Look at it. I
Yeah.
was interested in this zone, the 66 area. I was kind of hanging out for that all yesterday, waiting for it to sort of like in this green. I've had this for ages. All week I've had it.
My chart. I've had to zoom my chart so I can see it.
Oh, good. Wait a second. I've got to go back to here now. We've taken out that last doji now. Okay, so now I'm going to wait for a setup for a longs.
Come on.
Taking a buy on pound yen.
You've taken a buy pound yen now? Good luck, mate.
Oh, yeah, it's just taking out that previous doji.
Yeah, New York low.
Mm. Yeah, I'll be back.
Yeah, mate. Stir that sauce. You're taking the short here, Marin. It's still looking good for the downside. Haven't seen any reason yet to jump in for buys.
Throw the 1 hour on for a sec, Hayden.
Yeah, mate. Bottom left.
Bottom left.
Do we make it bigger?
No, it's fine. I was looking to see if you get a bounce off that there, right here.
Yeah, that because this red zone is the wick. That's why I'm looking at this area. Plus on the I would do on the top left the 15 minutes, 30 minutes. I think it was even 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Had a nice reaction there.
Yeah, 30 minutes we had 2 dojis as well. So that lowest one was the one that I was waiting to get taken out. So now, at the moment, I would have had to have taken, that would be a cowboy trade. So this one waiting for a second one. So I could secure 50%. Cool, good one. So, oh, you mean you shorted the break? Like the impulsive sell? Oh yeah, good one. Yeah, that, I mean, like, you can get that 50. You can get that 1-to-1, can't you? It's quite reliable. Targeting 1950. 159.50. Quite a lot lower. Could do it. It'd be against what I'm looking at, but could do it. The 5 minute is given all this manipulation to keep pushing down. At the moment I haven't seen these highs. All right, come on. All right, looks like it's going down. I'm torn. I'm torn in the zone. I don't want to sell, but I don't see any reason to buy just yet.
Good morning, Aaron.
Good morning, mate. How are you?
Good, man. Got anything?
No, not yet.
I'm not seeing any possible reason for the buys on German 40 right now, at least based upon higher time frame. So if you look at the previous daily, it was bullish one, but it wasn't like a convincing one to say I can look for the buys right now. Still not convincing, because yesterday's based upon weekly took out the previous weekly high, and yesterday's daily was just came back for that, I think. This was a previous weekly high, I think. Took out the high. We still respecting that zone, and we also today we took out the previous day high, and now we are turning bearish to push to the downside. On 4 hour, same thing was happening. Like you can consider this as a zone. So sorry, this one. Okay. So this as a zone now. Price already retested that zone, and we kind of left this liquidity now at the low. So I think on 3 hours we have a HCS also. This was a HCS. So and we also tap into that 3-hour zone area. Not exactly, but it kind of came back to that area, created a HCS, this HCS.
Mm.
And now at the bottom we have this liquidity. Even we can go all the way to this liquidity also. So taking long position, I know this zone is like a manipulation zone right now. I think if you go to the 2 hours now, same thing is like a previous 2 hour close like a negation candle. It took out the previous candle high and closed like a strong bearish one, like a FU candle. And this is the first manipulation, as this is a strong second manipulation. So even on 2 hours, we have liquidity at the low.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. How much lower is it going to go? Like, I want to see it fill this clean candle before that low.
Now, if you see that it kind of came back to retest that zone. I mean, this candle. It and price should not be breaking that high, because if this is a FU candle again, strong FU candle, price pushed to the downside, generated liquidity, then again coming back into that area. It's not like a V-shaped recovery happen. We pushed to upside, then came back again, pushed to the upside, then
retest.
Yeah, so it's like it's not like impulsive way price came back. It's just a corrective way price came back to the upside. And after that, this candle showed that we wanted to push to the downside, because why price suddenly decided to, after breaking that low, they should just push to the upside. We left this liquidity, but this can be liquidity can be left for the future. Right now in this, yeah, you can still consider this as HCS with this, because this candle did not close above that wick. It kind of just take out the high, take out the low also, but it's kind of insider candle. But this candle show the clear direction that we wanted to push to the downside. Now at the low, we can either come back here, and if the today's daily candle is closing bearish one, then we are again doing a negation and creating HCS from upside based upon daily. And just can you go to the weekly first? I will show you how the weekly took out the previous doji high. So we have a liquidity at the low now. If today's daily candle is closing bearish, then probably we are going all the way to the downside.
See, the issue is, why isn't this working? Hold a sec. Same as liquidity candle niche. The problem with this is that we're not at a high and we're not at a low. We're in the middle of this choppiness, and it's really just like, it looks like a clean candle here on the 30-minute. It's a low volume day, so it's just grinding slowly and slowly and slowly. I agree with coming down all the way to the bottom. I do agree with that. So like, because we have such clean candles and because we haven't hit it, I thought there was a good chance that we push up, but it's not looking like it's happening. It's not giving us any confirmation to buy yet. So just got to, like, you'd be going with the flow down, but I don't think it's going to be, unless you got entries from like the highs. Entering here is difficult, and it's kind of not worth the stress. Entering inside of this chop.
Entry there will be like, there is always possibly price can again come back to retest that area.
Like entering here, price came back. Got another little, like, you got another little wick rejection. So retesting these lows makes sense. 15, 16 pips you could have got out of it. Price is pushing down.
After this candle close, it also created HCF with this. So we don't have to worry about price coming back to the taken out this doji high or this imbalance candle. They can simply drop they have enough liquidity to push the price to the downside with this candle closing. It's just we did not get any clean entry for that sell opportunity here.
Impulsively, it's only entry with that impulsive volume. Alright, now it's looking like it's done the wick fill. Now I can just drop. Let's turn to a nice one now. So 950. This candle here, this is the 15-minute wick. This is Maron's target. Oh, you're watching from the kitchen now on YouTube, huh? Yeah, give the stream some love. Needs to get past those algos. Get more viewership. Well, I've got time to wait, so don't have to scoot off before 9 o'clock. Who can be more patient? Yeah, like this one. This one is. Same thing. And when you get a few of these, where wicks are getting left behind, so price is coming down, retesting, leaving another wick that's not being filled, those wicks are pulling liquidity, and then generally, once you get a couple of them, it's pulled enough liquidity that an opposing resistance will break from underneath. Or if you're starting to get wick rejections from above, then usually a support won't hold. All right, so second structure now. If it closed inside, then it's going to go to the bottom. So at the moment, nothing's closed inside, but we are getting a little bit rejected. Ooh. I'm going to give that a little buy here. Stop loss is just underneath this candle. 10 pips. Oops. Probably secure a little bit at this doji here. And then just let it leave, probably leave my stop loss there. That'll be 1-to-1. secure it a little bit. A little micro scalp. So secured a little bit at this doji, leaving the stop loss there. So if it comes back, it's gonna be a complete break even. And I'll target this euro high. So if it stops me out now, it'll just be a break even. But I won't tighten my stop loss because it's too tight. But there's same sort of thing. Little couple of rejection candles, rejection wicks. So hopefully the resistance doesn't hold. But because it is a downtrend, it's a bit risky. Oh, that one didn't close very nice. Respecting that doji, closing as a bearish wick. Let's see. Hopefully it can close bullish again. But that's the idea.
I got my 11 pips on GJ.
Beautiful. Was it off the 50?
No, no. It was the 50s up high.
Oh, I see.
Took New York low.
Right. Good one. So why is
Had a
one...
nice little bounce. Nice little bounce now.
One's red, one's white. What's going on? Smart. This is going crazy. It's like one half is looking at... One half will remove all these... TradingView will only take off one half now for some reason. I'm just hanging in there for German 40. It's just hanging in there. Most likely will break. So where was this? New York low, yeah? From a while ago, not yesterday.
No, that was
London low.
yesterday. Yes.
London
Oh, was that
low.
London low? Was
Yeah.
it? Oh, sorry, London low. Yeah. Oh, got me color mixed up.
CAD yen's going alright. Hopefully now yen's weakens off. Emma Bot's got the trade on this one from the 200.
Okay.
Did anyone take a? So I got. Yeah, it's gonna stop me out for break even. Yeah, the sells make more sense. You gotta. After all this, now it's starting to look really heavy. So now I gotta wait for a higher time frame before any more buys take place. We are into this zone again. What a man! There's been a.
Oh, pound yen is pumping.
Did you leave anything going?
Yeah, I did actually. I had a partial TP at the 20 EMA there, and I just tapped me up just before.
Mm-hmm.
So I've got 25% on, targeting the Asian 50.
Good one, mate.
Great work. Great work. So this will move to break even.
You short on that, were you, from the robot?
Long.
Oh, right. So you're just managing it. Okay. Yep. Good man.
It's long from the 200.
Oh,
Beautiful drop. Gosh. So that's 5 more pips. Nice. Yeah, come on. Do it for Marin. Completely negating that daily. Did you take anything actually? Did you grab any sells on these pullbacks?
Yeah, I got a sell here.
Very good. I bloody took the buy, and that sell, your sell stopped my buy.
Because if you look at the this one you draw, this one is on 30-minute. Yeah.
Oh, 30-minute was it? Yeah, 30-minute.
Yes, and price is reacting from the high time. If price could have come back here when the price already push this candle and then come back, that could have make more sense. But price already graph enough liquidity from upside now, so this will not going to hold. Yeah.
yeah. That's going to be a full correction.
Yeah, it is.
But maybe securing some profit will be better here. This is a hourly zone also, so be careful if you are holding whole position. This is also the 4-hour area for me.
$50 level too.
I mean, you can leave the runner if you got the entry from the top. Then we can come all the way to the downside after we break this zone, and then come back and retest, and then again start moving to the downside. I think today's NY session going to be quite nice for us, for gold at least.
How come?
Based upon daily close, previous daily close was a strong. I mean,
Was a little doji, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. So, and if price took out that doji low now today, then we are heavily bullish afterward. Then we can go all the way to 1980. I think.
Okay, yep, catch you later, buddy. Good, nice trade. Nice sell. Okay, what's gonna happen down here? Let's remove all this.
GJ is not stopping.
Got that volume now behind you.
Mm.
Yeah, GJ's a nice pair. Let's see if it can erase this whole. It's down 0.25% against yen. See if they can fade it out. Or is it just a pullback? A friendly pullback. Oh, there was a bit of news come through. Well, let's see what the first hour is going to close like. And oh, they can't do nothing. Pound US as well. Did Alan, you're here. Did you take anything pound US? Got an early break into this monthly level.
Yeah,
Pushed
that
in.
was buy area in pound.
Yeah, underneath this
Pound
doji.
USD, yeah. But I thought GJ could be faster. That is why I took GJ instead of GU.
Same move.
Yeah.
Still holding now.
Full
Not liking
position
this
you are
doji.
holding?
Hey?
You are holding GJ full?
No, close some.
No, full. My partials got hit. That's why I love
Oh.
magic keys. Partials
Oh.
and then stop loss at entry straight away.
Yeah.
I've closed a little bit more, but I don't like this doji now.
Yeah. I saw USD JPY 30-minute candle closing bullish and Euro JPY bullish. I thought GJ should also push up, and at that time GJ was not that bullish, and it took liquidity previous one, and I took buys. I took confluence from USD JPY and Euro JPY to take GJ
Oh yeah.
buy. Yeah, and liquidity was also included. And there was attempted candle 1 hour there, and a few candle was there which took liquidity, so that was a manipulation area on GJ on 1 hour chart.
Did you look at Euro pound as well?
Euro pound, no, I don't look at that, man. I tried to look at two pairs, gold and GJ. I'm thinking to start GBP USD also, but that is very slow, man, compared to GJ. That is the problem. I like quick moves.
Mm-hmm.
Like I take buy, quick profit, close trade, done for the day.
Mm-hmm.
Dollar yen moves nicely as well. She's not too bad.
Very slow though.
I've been playing.
Mm-hmm.
I've played her a little bit. And
She used to be like,
she's
you get like 30 pips on pound and you get 10 pips on US yen.
Yeah, true.
But I think the daily range on dollar yen now is like 130 odd.
Yeah, it's been picking up for sure.
It used to be like the 60s, but now she's grown up.
Yeah, but it's not a London session though, unfortunately. It sort of moves the same time when, well, for me anyway, when I'm focused on gold. And if I wasn't looking at gold, I'd be looking at US 30. But like if you don't want too much volatility, then it's starting to get into that range where you got to find the speed that you like.
Because of GJ, I missed gold buys at 54 area. That was 5-minute FU retest. If I would have taken buy at that level, it would be a break even already.
Mm-hmm.
So it was win-win situation. If not hitting your stop loss, it is good. It is very difficult to concentrate on two pairs at the same time.
Oh yeah, I don't even bother. Unless the EA's got it, I'm not interested.
Stop loss was also very small, around 8-9 pips, 7.5 pips. Suppose that 10 pips if entry slippage or something else. No problem. We have an NY session.
Come on, push.
Did you take buy?
Yeah,
German?
I did.
Oh, okay. One hour.
Take Akshay out now. He took me out now. Get it. From this zone. So like once price pushed down here, and then once this had rejected, it was taken above this wick. But it's pretty risky one. I don't want to look. I can't look for sells now that we're down in this area, and I know German can give those corrections. So
I don't know, man, anything about German 40. It is very difficult.
No, I don't think it's like gold. I don't think it's difficult. It's just like it's like gold with how you've got the 8 a.m. New York time open, and then you've got New York Stock Exchange, and it's the same. You get volume from 7 a.m. UK time for Euro Open, Frankfurt Open, and then at 8 o'clock you got the London Open. I don't want it to retest the low.
Man, 5-minute candle closed FU. But you should not keep your stop loss below 5-minute FU. That is reasonable stop loss because you have one doji candle also on 1 minute. So that is little bit tricky.
Come on. Well, I'm at 12 pips, so what should I do, guys? 12 pips a day. The last one was a break even. No. I'm gonna hold for a little bit more. See if we can at least tap into this area.
Come on, push. Don't take that doji. A lot of liquidity is left on 1 minute upside.
Yeah.
The way it dropped, it left a lot of liquidity.
Your line there, the white line, yes.
This one, this
Yeah, there's plenty of it.
Yeah.
We're gonna to the open of the new hour. It's gonna be could be a problem.
GJ 4-hour turned bullish. Beautiful 1 hour.
Damn it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna make a quick coffee, so I'll be right back.
Did you close yours now?
GJ.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I closed like 70%.
Okay.
At I start closing GJ from like 10 pips. I don't wait for like 13 pips. I start closing at 10 pips. I'm aiming for 173.183, that 5 minute doji candle, and below that there is one 5 minute imbalance candle is also there. With every 20-30 pips I close more and more.
to gold. Gold, I'm going to have a little break and then go for New York session. I think we'll get some. I think we're going to bang it today.
I think Justice has a question so that the price can move even
Oh, sorry, I
go to
missed.
the downside. Yeah,
Okay.
I think it's just a point of interest here. You should not consider that as like a taking entry right away when the price took out the previous daily low. It's just a point of interest. You need to wait for the bullish momentum on that area, like at least 15 minutes, like if you see German 40 is just dropping. That's why you are not taking any kind of buy opportunity. This was a risky one, but it's just anticipating that the price pushing to the upside. But for gold, when price just dropping, you are not taking sell. I mean the buys, just because you see that the previous price took out the liquidity and it should start moving to the upside. You are waiting for the bullish momentum at that area, and you're also looking at the previous area in the lower time frame liquidity area. Where is the liquidity area on the previous 1 minute area on the or previous day, or the HCS area you're talking about? So just wait for that. If you see a bullish momentum like or any 30-minute or hourly candle closing in your direction like a few candle, then you can look for the entry. Otherwise, don't trying to be Rambo to take entry right away after taking the low previous daily low. Wait for the confirmation, and you will find that confirmation maybe in the NY session. Not right now. Low volume. All right, then. See you at NY.
Yeah, see you in NY. Okay, catch you later. Bye-bye.